Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I will show you how to create a stained glass French tip using our velvet polishes. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, base coat and builder application, apply a thin coat of French kiss and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Using velvet halo and your thin nail art brush, paint a curved shape towards the side of your nail to create part of your French tip. Hover the large end of your strong velvet magnets around the edges of your nail to lift the glitter. Cure for 10 seconds. Using velvet Elixir, paint a smaller shape and lift the glitter. Cure for 10 seconds. Using velvet haze, repeat the previous step. Cure for 10 seconds. Using velvet Mocha, paint a curved shape on the other side of your nail to complete the French tip and lift the glitter. Cure for 10 seconds. Using blackout and your thin nail art brush, paint a curved line under your nail art. Cure for 10 seconds. Paint a thin border around each shape and around the tip of your nail. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Check out our channel for other velvet looks and French tip tutorials. Thanks for watching!